Hi everyone, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this polka dot vase. This project is really easy, it doesn't take much time at all, and I think it is just beyond adorable and could make a really great gift as well. Follow along and I will show you step by step how you can make this polka dot vase. The first thing that you're going to do is lay down your vase. And then you're going to want to grab two things to lay on both sides of the vase just to keep it from rolling. I'm using 2 paint bottles, but of course you can use anything that you have at home. Grab one of your glass marbles, and on the flat side you will add some E6000, and you will then take the marble and add it to the top of the vase. Grab a second marble, add some glue, and then place it going down halfway from the top of the vase, and make sure that it's in line with the first marble that you had placed. Grab a third marble, add some glue, and then place it at the bottom of the vase and in line with the other 2 marbles above it. Let the glue dry for at least 10 minutes and then check to make sure that the marbles are staying in place and are secured. And then you will rotate your vase slightly to the right. Now you're going to glue on another marble. It is going to be to the left of the marbles that you had glued on previously, and it's going to be in between the top and the middle marble. Add a second marble below the one that you just glued on, and then it's going to also be in between the middle and the bottom marble that is to the right of it. Let the glue dry for at least 10 minutes and then check to make sure that the marbles are secured on the vase before you rotate it again and glue on more marbles. Now you will continue to do the same steps that we just did, where now you will go back to gluing on 3 marbles in a straight line, wait for it to dry, move the vase over, and then glue on 2 marbles and staggering them from the line that you had just done before. You'll repeat this pattern until you cover the entire vase. Next, you will spray paint your vase. You can follow the instructions on the can, but you're going to want to spray paint it about 10 to 12 inches away, let it dry, and then add a second coat. Fill your vase with greenery or flowers, and then it is ready to be displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the supplies needed to make this polka dot vase at craftsdirect.com/projects.